Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited to unbox June 2020 box from Simply Gilded. So let's get started. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, look at this. It is so nice. Ooh. Let me show you what's inside. Ooh, this is so cool. Oh, wow. Look at this. The pen is so pretty. Oh, my goodness gracious. I just love it. And look at this pad portfolio. Oh, it's pretty in leather. Ooh, it is so nice. Ooh, look at the goodies that's inside of this. This is a dashboard here. And this is the paper pad. Oh, look at the nice pretty colors. Oh, and it comes with some pretty stickers for your nails. Look at that. Oh, they are so pretty. Let's look what else on the inside of this here. It comes with a gorgeous card. It's a journal card. Check it out. Oh, it's so nice. And look at this here. Oh, it's so nice. It's a notebook. Oh, it's so nice. Let me, I will open it up to you guys. Okay, so I open it. And this is how the inside look. Nice paperwork. Good steady paper. And I am going to show you how the inside. Oh, look at all of this room that you have to place all your items in. Right here. It's very nice. You can put your pad there. And this right here is a double-sided pencil board. It is so nice and colorful. Let me put my stickers back in here. Oh, that journal card is so pretty, right? Let me put my pen in here so we be all good to go. Let me show you the other side of planning. Is the washi tape. Yes, I can't wait to show you. It's so nice. Check this out. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, look at that washi. Oh, look at these colors here. Oh, this is a pretty rainbow to go perfect with this collection. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that one there. So nice and pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. And this one here, look at that. I just love the bows. It is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And this is the bonus pack? No. It is gorgeous here. This costs an extra $5 with your kit. But look at all of those colors you have. Oh, they are so gorgeous. And it comes with this gorgeous pouch. And what a great saying. Aloha, aloha. It has such pretty colors, right? This kit is like the best. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at those colors. Oh my Lord. It is gorgeous. And I love the stickers. Oh. This is a double weekly Got all your days of the week there and all the stickers that you would need. Look at that decal. Oh my word, it is shiny. It just don't do no justice. You have to get this kit in person just to get the whole feel of it. Oh my goodness. It is so great. And let me show you what else I get. Washi is separate from the kit. Check this out. Whoa. Let me spread everything. Oh, I just love it. Look at there. Comes with more stickers. Sorry for the crinkling. Oh, look at the turtle. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the color. Just look at it. Oh my gosh. These are like so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Oh my world. Look at there. Oh, I just love washi tape. It just make any planner come alive. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, check that out. Oh my Lord. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you guys, you have to go over there. Oh my goodness. It is so gorgeous. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness gracious. Gorgeous. Just completely gorgeous. Also came with some freebies right here. I just love it. This is such a great collection of washi tapes. Oh, I can't wait for next month release. Oh my goodness gracious. Next month release is going to be even better. Oh, check this out. I just love it. Thank you for watching my unboxing.